Alrighty, this is our last unit, and for our last unit we're going to be looking at geometric relationships. So this is things you've worked with when you've pulled out your protractor, measured angles and things like that. We're going to actually avoid a lot of the measuring with the protractor because I know a lot of you don't have one, and and a lot of the times don't need to use a protractor to do some of the calculations. So just to go over some common things that you should be familiar with when we're looking at some different types of angles. Straight angles. When you go all the way around till you make a straight line, you have 180 degrees. So straight angles are 180 degrees. Right angles are those that are 90 degrees when we go up to 90. And we usually mark those with the little square, like in our right angle triangles. Acute ankles are those cute little angles that are smaller than 90. Okay, so this is an acute angle. Here it's smaller than 90 degrees. And when they get bigger than 90, but not greater than 180, they become what are called obtuse angles. Okay, so they're bigger than 90 and smaller than 180, and these are obtuse angles. And it's important to note, I'm using these arrows. Your textbook doesn't use the arrows, but it doesn't matter if the arrow is there. But the line showing where the angle is, that is important. This arrow here is marking the angle. This angle is not the same as this angle. If this was, say, 90, so we put a little 90 box here. Okay, so if this is 90 degrees here, this is not 90 degrees. This is 270 degrees to go from here all the way around to here. It's 90, 90, and then another 90. So the arrow shows the motion of the angle, and that so that even if there's no arrow, that's the mark of the angle, and that's where it is. So this is not 90. This is 270 degrees. This is 90. So do note that makes a big difference in these.